Hello friend, today I am going to solve LeetCode problem of the day of 16 June. The problem is stated we have given a string yes consisting of lowercase English letter and a special characters. Okay, we need to build a new string result by processing each character of yes according to the following rules. If the letter is lowercase, then we need to add it into our resultant string. If the character is asterisk, we need to remove the last character of new result string. Okay, if it's just okay, and if the string contains character contains hash, then we need to duplicate the resultant string. Okay, if it contains the percentage, then what we need to do, we need to reverse the resultant array, and at the last we need to return the result string after processing all the characters in this string. So how can we do it? So let's create firstly a new string, let's say. Okay, and we will traverse each character of yes 3. Okay, so I am traversing each character of yes. If character is a English alphabet, that is character value is in the range of A to Z. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to add it into our resultant string. Okay, but if this is not the case and ch is equal to asterisk. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to remove the last character. So how can we remove a last character of a string? Let's say string is contain ABCD and I need to remove the D. Okay, so we I need to remove D and I need ABC. So how can we do it? We can do it by taking the substring of from 0 to a length of the string size minus 1. So how can we do it? I will take the substring, okay, from 0 to the length of the string size minus 1. So this is how we can remove the last character. Else if the characters is has. Okay, so what we need to do, we need to duplicate the resultant. Okay, we need to add the result to the result. Okay, but if this is also not the case, so what we need to do, we need to reverse. So I am doing the reverse dot begin response dot, yeah. After performing whole operation, what I need to do, I need to return the result in testing. Okay, and this reverse is a built-in function. We can also write our own. So let's compile and run. The code solution is working fine. Let's submit it. It's submitted successfully. So I have provided this code here. You can check it out and use the code for submission. But I will first say that you should try at your own. So you can also find this for this problem of the day of the coding solution here. Yeah, let me edit this one and Here is 16 June today. Let me update your code solution. Okay. Let me update this. Yeah. You can also use this platform to provide some content. Okay, yeah. So thank you for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe. Meet you yes tomorrow.